Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy and physiology. First, let's simplify the vast amount of information. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on breaking down complex systems into smaller, digestible parts. This approach makes the material less overwhelming and easier to retain. We'll also cover how to actively engage with your studies daily, ensuring consistent progress and deeper understanding. Get ready to transform your learning experience. Active learning is crucial for A&P. Try drawing and labeling structures like the heart or a neuron multiple times. This visual repetition is incredibly effective. Next, explain concepts out loud to yourself or a study partner. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Don't forget to make flashcards for important terms and processes. Connecting new information to what you already know builds a stronger knowledge base. Leveraging the right tools can make a huge difference. Your textbook is a primary resource. Utilize its online components, practice quizzes, and diagrams. Anatomy apps and 3D models offer interactive ways to visualize structures, which is far more engaging than just looking at two-dimensional images. Educational videos can also simplify complex physiological processes. Finally, consider forming a small study group. Discussing concepts with peers often reveals new insights and strengthens your own understanding. Consistent review and application are your final steps to mastery. Don't just study new material, regularly revisit older topics to keep them fresh. Actively complete practice questions and quizzes from your textbook, online resources, and even past exams if available. Try to apply what you've learned to real-world examples or clinical scenarios. This helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for practical application. Identify your weak spots and give them extra attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.